Hello everyone, this is my Chuwi Corebook X unboxing video and I hope you'll enjoy it. First off, I have a disclaimer to make. It came into another protective layer in a bubble wrap. So basically even the box should be protected. As you can see, there are no defects on the box. I got mine from China warehouse and it's in very good condition. So let's start with the unboxing. I'm gonna open the main box now. You can see there is a very nice protection for this device. Let me try to bring up all with one hand. Maybe it's not that good of an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the video here for now, so I can use both my hands to take all these out for you guys. Here is the main device, but let's start with the power brick. Nothing more into the box here. Let me put this here for now. Here, I guess, is the paperwork. Let's see. Yeah. Warranty card. Production inspection report. I don't know. Not interesting things. Okay. Now, let's check the power brick. Again, I need two hands for this, but I'll try my best. Okay, so this is the cable. It's an EU plug for me. Okay, I guess I'll have to open this other side also. And this should be the power brick. It's protected in a plastic. Let's take it out. Yeah, it's very nice. There's another plastic layer here. And it's pretty small, which is a very good thing for a laptop when you carry it around to have a small package. It's also pretty light. Okay, so let's take this off. Now to the main device. See, as you can see, it is very protected. Let me put this again here while I'm taking it with both hands. Wow. It looks smaller, but I guess this is because of the small bezels that they have. And I don't know if you can see, there's no fingerprints. Here's the logo of the company. This material feels pretty premium and it's cold to touch. Very nice. It's also pretty small in height, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see, it has 4 legs. Let me show it to you like this. Space for fans here, and the legs are made especially for keeping the laptop a bit above the desk or where you're keeping it, so the fans can get more exhaustion heat out of the laptop. And here, very important thing, this is a SSD storage space that can get to 1 terabyte if you want to upgrade the storage from the laptop. It's a SATA SSD slot, so be careful when you buy not to get an NVMe. The laptop comes only with 256 gigs of storage, so you might want in the future to add another storage here, which is very easily. I'm not gonna open it right now, but you have this option. Now let's get this open. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. It seems it goes pretty up from the desk. I know this is not usually an issue, but some people say that they might like to see this in a device. Sorry for closing it up like this. Yeah, it has another protection here in between, and oh my god, how nice it looks. Look at this. Can even go almost 180 degrees. It's not quite 180, but in case you are interested in this, this is what you get. And here I think it's polycarbonate. It's not metal as on the exterior, but it still feels pretty premium. I can't complain about it. The trackpad feels pretty clicky and nice. I'll have to see later on how is the tracking done. The screen is pretty glossy, something that I don't necessarily like. I usually am into matte screens, but I hope it's good enough, and the light is good also. Speaking of the screen, this screen is a 144 QHD screen, which it's said to have 100% RGB color gamma. I don't know about the Adobe RGB, maybe I should check the specs, but they say that it should deliver a very nice, good color range. Let's talk about the keyboard now. Oh, the keyboard feel quite nice. I don't see any issue with them. They feel very comfy and nice on the touch. By the way, this is a backlit keyboard, just so you know, in case you're curious. I'll open it and show you in a bit. But for now, let's see what else can I tell you without opening it. Okay, so as you can see, a bit of the specs. The chipset for this device is an i5 7th generation, not quite the newest, but I think it will do a good job. So let's talk about the ports a bit. There are not that many ports. So here, as you can see, it's just the charging point, and this is an USB type C. I don't know, some say that it can charge, others say that it cannot, so I'll have to verify this and let you know in a later comment or in a later review. Okay, let's see what is on the other side. Okay, so it's just normal type A USB, so this device doesn't come with many ports, which I guess it's depends on how you prefer it, but people might complain about this. In my case, I don't mind. I think I'm just gonna use wireless mouse. I don't think I'm gonna use an external keyboard either, so for me it's not gonna be a problem, most likely. Anyway, I mostly got this laptop for media consumption and video, but on the other hand, I heard that it is also pretty good for light gaming. Okay, so let's turn the device on. I guess it needs a bit of a longer push. Okay, yeah. And you can see also the backlit keyboard's turned on instantly. Look how beautiful it is. When you get it, I guess when you receive the laptop, it should come with a preset app for Windows. I already did this, but I didn't get to check too much, just this much. And let's check. As you can see, the lighting of the screen is pretty nice. I don't know if it's max or not, but it's quite good. Yeah, it's max. This is the max lighting for people that are curious. And even though I see some reflection, the light is pretty good, in my opinion. Okay guys, so let me show you some of the specs. Here, let's see, system information. Look, as you can see, it's a 64 bits based Windows, and what else? It's interesting. Well, everything you want to see. And let me tell you, the screen is so sharp. It's amazing. Okay, so this is based on the configuration. So this is it, guys. There you have it. This is my in-depth unboxing experience. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my first tech video, so please let me know in the comments if I missed anything or if you have any questions. Thumbs if you liked it, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and stay tuned because I'm planning to make another more in-depth review later on. Bye guys!